All right. So, what are the big things to chat about today? The topic is healthy eating for beginners, but hopefully, even those of you who feel you're in a pretty good spot can get some tips as well. First, we'll talk about why we should be looking to improve our nutrition. Then we'll touch on why we tend to not eat the best things or crave those not so good things. And then we'll talk about some realistic ways to start on that journey to improve your nutrition. So, why do we need to eat healthy? I'm not going to spend a lot of time here as most people know the basics of what nutrition affects, but let's just do a real quick refresher. Nutrition affects pretty much every part of our health. It affects our risk of heart issues. It can contribute to or help protect against risk of cancers. It can affect how our brain functions, thereby affecting our mood and those types of things as well. It affects our physical performance, and the list really could go on and on. Basically, nutrition is the single biggest way we can contribute to our quality of life. It's pretty important.